Alright everybody, welcome back to part 5 of the Operation Combination Guard City Customs. And yes, right now it's like we're going to combine the Guard City team into a form of Guard City. Now here's one of the interesting things about Operation Combination was that essentially they took the whole idea of scramble power that many of the older teams have to like a new extreme. It's like basically, you know, in some versions they did tease that like specific team members would like each limb. It's like would give it's like a combiner certain powers and abilities, as they did with some of the more quote unquote custom combiners that like you might see down the road, such as Abominaricus and the Super Scrambles. But these guys, like what they do is that like they can basically change their limb formation on the fly. It's like for very, very specific reasons, and it's like it grants them like different abilities. Now they basically tease that in the Scramble City cartoon, but these guys, again, literally on the fly. Like each member can just change at any time, and to offer like various abilities, including like speed boosts and whatnot, to the various combined teams. And yeah, so what are the versions we have here right now? This would basically be Guard City in the quote-unquote repair mode with safety. It's like using all his medical skills to help. It's like repair any injured Autobot on the battlefield. Now, before we get into any more into that, like again, you had like all the various weapons that you saw earlier from the Matrix Workshop, and even though they look similar, they have slight variations to them, and that basically they combine together. It's like in a very specific way. So yeah, so let's start with this one here. And like see the various notches. It's like only work. It's like on some of them. Careful, I do not want to break this thing off. Yeah, okay, come on. Man, I missed my hand working well. There we go. And as I said, they look similar, but they combine in a very specific way. Okay, so here's the first one. Now for the other one. Like this one here has like the notch here which fits into this gun specifically, but not the other one. Then you have that peg there which pegs into that here very specifically. And again, if you're going to invest into any of the Matrix Workshop parts, be sure to get a small nail file to sand some of the parts down so that like especially any peg, so they combine and fit in better. Hold on, let me get this off camera. Oh, don't break on me. Oh boy. Oh, whatever. So yeah, there you go, and they combine in these two massive cannons, so you get like a double set. Yeah. Of course, some of these, it's like might have some minor issues. Like this one here is a bit, the first aid piece gets, a safety piece gets a little in the way. But luckily I found a way around this. Basically just use this peg instead. Close the hand. Okay, come on. work with me. Oh, well, let's just say that repair mode doesn't have the gun. Let's just say that. You can also go with that version there. Or better yet, put it on the side. There. There we go. So that's one thing. This one here is a little bit trickier just because it folds weird. Yeah, so that's a little bit weird. There we go. So there we have, it's like a Guard City, and again, repair mode with this version. And now the idea was they could, again, change the parts individually. And I might just show that off like individually later. But yes, here is basically Guard City with the Fensor. And you can see some of the changes. Again, I added this blue on the legs there for the Sharpie, so you know. And basically, most of this it's like black because it was white. It was sort of better to match that up. And I also painted the top of the head black. You can still see some red popping out. And yeah, so Fire Chief making the torso of Guard City is very, very nice. As a custom elite, if you will. And yeah. Overall cool custom set. It's like both cool and lazy at the same time. But, you know. Some collectors will pay a premium for the original, so you go figure. Just go figure. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, I'll pop in some of the other alterations in their own separate videos, and yeah, you know, the like, subscribe, all that other stuff. You know, I hope you had a good time. Hopefully my hand will feel better, and next time we're gonna look at the Battle Gaia. Well, later. Have a good one, everybody. Yep. Bye.